Before you start to navigate on the board, check your settings. Up on the top right-hand corner, there's the settings key. Go to navigation mode and then check that you are either working on the mouse, trackpad or touch screen. This gives you some further information about how to navigate around the board as well as to zoom in and out. The first task you're going to do is to zoom in on the star shape and write your name in one of the points of the star. Each point of the star has a different emotion. Using your pinching technique, but to pinch out, I'm feeling a little bit sleepy, so I'm going to write my name in the sleepy point of the star. To do that, I'm going to go across and select the T or text button over on the toolbar, and then come back and click in the star where I want to write my name. Now you can move on to the next task.